Hey guys, so as promised, here is the follow-up video with our little recipe. What we've got is the honey that we harvested today, a little jar, an onion, and a couple of things of garlic there. Now, what I would advise is always get local produce if you can. This is definitely local produce from our area. Try to avoid, particularly with garlic, try to avoid any imported garlic because it's obviously sprayed when it comes through customs. So yeah, just get some good local garlic, and of course if you've got your own honey, that always helps. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to very quickly cut these all up into very fine pieces, and I'm going to put it into the jar, and I'm going to put this down now, and I'll go through exactly what we're going to do next. Here it comes. Hi guys, so I've just diced that up. Now normally my wife does a much better job of this than me, but I'm just going to very quickly mix this all together. So this is the garlic all diced up, and this is the onion. So you're just trying to mix that through. You can do it in slithers or anything like that as well. You can crush the garlic. There's all sorts of things you can do, but I just dice them up. So once they're all mixed through fairly well, what you want to do is you want to get your jar and put just a layer of this in. Not the cleanest of so I've just filled that up, and then you can get a good view of that. But then what you do is you simply just put a layer of honey in there over the top, and then you go again. So it's a little bit like, let me just hold that up. It's a little bit like layering a lasagna. Put some more back in there. Make a bit of a mess, but that's okay. Now this bottle will probably last us 12 months. Definitely lasts us the whole winter. So I'll just put a little bit more in there. Now you only ever fill back up to the top of the onion and the garlic. That should be enough. A little tiny bit more. Try not to make a mess. Now this is really good if you get a niggling throat, or you're starting to get a cold, you're feeling a flu come on in here like that. What you do is you keep it in your fridge. I'll just quickly top this up one last time. We just fill it up to the top there. There we go. So you saw that I topped that all the way up to the top. Now I've left this for a couple of hours, and it's gone very liquidy, as you can see as I'm moving that around. So what you need to do now is you need to just separate the onions and the garlic into another, what's through a strainer. Interestingly enough, I use these strainers for my honey as well. So just leave to strain, get everything out. I've seen people leave them in there, but they won't last as long if you do. You can see a nice golden fluid there. Alright, and so like I said before, you can store this in your fridge or your cupboard. It'll last a long time, and basically every time you get a sore throat or you can feel a bit of a cold coming on, just grab a teaspoon, grab 1 or 2 teaspoons of that, or give it to your kids, they love it as well. Yes, it does taste a little bit garlicky and oniony, but it's the honey gives it a great flavour, so it's not like a cough mixture or anything like that. That can be fairly horrible. It's a nice natural way to look after the kids and look after your throat and all that sort of stuff, so by all means use it. Just get that away. And there it is. So yeah, use that as you wish. By all means, there's probably 20 different ways of doing that, but that's how we do it, and it works for us. So signing out, till next time.